Let's look at how to install lifetechOCMS software. Firstly, we go to Lifetech website, lifetech.host. So from there, we go to click on our documentation, move to get started, click on installation process. Here we are. The prerequisite to install lifetechOCMS, the server requirement, PHP 8.0 or higher, the web server, the recommended development tools, the code editor, VS Code, PHP Storm, the terminal. The next stage is downloading lifetechOCMS itself. We have two options for downloading lifetechOCMS. The first one is GitHub, and the second one is download the software manually from the website. So let's look at the first option, which is from GitHub. Click on GitHub account, search lifetechOCMS. So this, click on this. Then you click download zip. So you can see my software is already downloading. Let's look at the second option, which is manual download from the website. Click on community product and click the one that is tagged with latest is the one you are going to download. So let's continue our installation. So the next step is, after downloading the software, copy your project to XAMPP or your development directory and rename it. So let me go to my downloads. So this is the software I downloaded from the application I downloaded from GitHub. I will copy it and I paste it to my local environment. So I will extract it. I will extract the package. So I intend naming my project as a class. So I will name it as class. So after doing that, I will run my software. Start your local server. I've already started my server. You can see it is already started and running. Then I will launch my browser. Let me launch my browser, localhost / my project name, which is class. So after doing that, we are on installation steps, the stage 4. The first stage is a PHP configuration setup, which is checking 3 files, max size, post max size, maximum execution time. If you have done this in your PHP configuration, so you just see this button enabled, click next. Once you click next, you go to the step 2, which is the database configuration. So if you are using local software, that is your XAMPP WAMP, local development area, you don't need to go to phpMyAdmin to set up your database. Just click server. I'm going to fill the information without going to the database myself. So I'm going to use class project as my DB name. So I'll create my database. So automatically the connection is successful and the database is loading. So my software is already installed, so I need to activate my software with unique key. So on activation page, we have 2 tabs here, new email and already existing email. So if you're a new developer in lifetechOCMS, you are going to use new email. Supply your email here and your company name, click submit. But since I am an already existing account holder for lifetechOCMS, I'm going to supply my email address. Yes, click on submit. So a token will have been sent to my email address. Let me go and verify that. So copy the token. So the token has been, my email account has been verified. Then you'll be redirected to our expiration page to select. For now you have 6 months. We are going to extend it to 2 years. So the essence of this key is that it's going to secure your software from being hacked from hackers or being stolen from other developers. So even if you are going to use your software on another development point, you are going to use your key to reactivate it over there to show that you are the owner of the software. That is the essence of the unique key. It's free. The unique key is free. Just click on generate and the pin is already activated. So you can see our website is up and running. Thank you so much.